The 2025 Yamaha YBR 125 continues to be a lightweight, practical, and fuel-efficient commuter bike that meets the needs of urban and suburban riders. Under the hood, it packs a refined 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth power and excellent fuel efficiency. Producing around 10 horsepower, the YBR 125 isn't built for high-speed thrills, but it's perfect for city commuting and occasional highway cruising. Yamaha has optimized the fuel injection system, ensuring crisp throttle response and better mileage, making it an excellent choice for those looking to save on fuel costs. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 model is its improved design. Yamaha has refreshed the YBR 125 with a sleeker, more modern look. The redesigned front headlamp now features LED technology, providing better visibility at night while enhancing the bike's overall aesthetic. The body panels have been slightly tweaked for a sharper, sportier appearance, and the updated graphics add a more premium touch. Comfort remains a key focus for the YBR 125. The upright riding position, well-padded seat, and ergonomic handlebar placement ensure a comfortable ride, even during long commutes. The telescopic front forks and twin-shock rear suspension offer a smooth ride, effectively absorbing road imperfections. This makes the YBR 125 an excellent option for daily commuters who prioritize comfort and practicality. When it comes to braking and safety, Yamaha has equipped the YBR 125 with a front disc brake and a rear drum brake, ensuring reliable stopping power. While it may not feature ABS, the braking system provides adequate control and confidence for everyday riding. The lightweight frame, weighing around 125 kilograms, contributes to its easy maneuverability, making city navigation effortless. Yamaha's focus on efficiency is evident in the YBR 125's impressive fuel economy. With an estimated mileage of around 80 to 90 kilometers per liter, this bike is a dream for budget-conscious riders who want to maximize every drop of fuel. The 14-liter fuel tank ensures extended rides without frequent refueling stops, making it a practical option for daily use. In conclusion, the 2025 Yamaha YBR 125 stays true to its legacy as a dependable, economical, and user-friendly commuter bike. Whether you're a beginner rider or someone looking for a reliable two-wheeler for daily commutes, the YBR 125 offers a perfect blend of affordability, efficiency, and Yamaha's trusted durability. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Buzz TV for more awesome bike reviews.